Here I have HTC One M9E, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly you have to open Settings, then go to the Backup and Reset, Backup Account. In the next step you will have to add your backup Google account. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Tap Next. Then you have to accept Google's privacy policy in terms of service, and then just tap Accept, and your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.